Stoicism is more than just ancient philosophy. It's a practical guide to living a peaceful, focused, and meaningful life. Rooted in the teachings of great minds like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, it teaches us how to control our responses, not the world. In a time filled with chaos, stress, and endless distraction, Stoicism offers tools to stay calm, resilient, and grounded in values. In this video, we'll explore 12 powerful Stoic principles that can reshape the way you think, feel, and act every day. 1. Focusing on what's in your control. One of the most powerful Stoic lessons is this: focus only on what you can control. Your thoughts, your choices, your actions. Everything else, what others do, what they think, how the world behaves, is beyond your grasp. By shifting attention inward, you protect your peace. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Accept what you cannot change and master what you can, yourself." 2. Embracing obstacles as opportunities. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. These words from Marcus Aurelius teach us to see every obstacle not as a roadblock, but as a teacher. Lost a job? Faced a setback? Use it to grow stronger, wiser, and better. A Stoic turns adversity into advantage and pain into purpose. Life's challenges aren't punishments. They're tools for personal evolution. 3. Living in the present moment. We often live in regrets of the past or fears of the future, but the Stoics remind us, all we ever have is now. Confine yourself to the present, said Marcus. Being present doesn't mean ignoring the past or avoiding plans. It means giving your full attention to what you're doing right now. This focus brings peace, power, and clarity. The present moment is where your life truly happens. 4. Building self-discipline. Self-control is freedom. The Stoics believe discipline is the foundation of virtue. Marcus Aurelius, despite being emperor, lived with simplicity and restraint. Today, this might mean limiting distractions, resisting impulsive behavior, or saying no to things that weaken your focus. Discipline isn't about punishment. It's about aligning your actions with your deeper values. A disciplined life is a directed life. 5. Developing emotional resilience. Stoicism doesn't ask you to suppress emotions. It teaches you to understand and manage them. Anger, fear, and jealousy, they're natural, but don't let them control you. When a Stoic feels overwhelmed, they pause, breathe, and respond with wisdom. Resilience is built through this practice, meeting adversity not with panic, but with patience. Over time, this mindset becomes your emotional armor. 6. Memento Mori. Remember, you will die. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. This was Marcus Aurelius reminding himself, and us, that life is fragile and finite. Memento Mori is not morbid, it's clarifying. It helps us prioritize what matters, let go of petty worries, and live with urgency and gratitude. When you truly understand death, you begin to truly live. 7. Practicing gratitude. The Stoics valued appreciation over entitlement. Even in hardship, they asked, what can I be thankful for? Every breath, every lesson, and every relationship is a gift. Gratitude grounds us. It shifts focus from what we lack to what we already have. Marcus often reminded himself to be thankful, even for struggles. They were chances to grow. A grateful heart is a Stoic heart. 8. Focusing on personal excellence. A Stoic doesn't chase fame, wealth, or approval. They chase excellence, being better today than they were yesterday. Are you living with virtue, courage, wisdom, and justice? Are you contributing to the world or merely taking from it? Excellence isn't about comparison, it's about growth. Commit daily to becoming the best version of yourself, regardless of what others are doing. 9. Not caring what others think. You can't control people's opinions, so why let them control you? The Stoics remind us, what others think is none of your business. Focus on your character, not your reputation. When your actions are aligned with your values, you can walk with confidence, even in the face of criticism. True freedom is living in accordance with your principles, not public opinion. 10. Accepting change. Nothing in life is permanent. People leave, seasons shift, health fades, and fortunes rise and fall. Stoicism teaches us to accept this impermanence, not with sadness, but with serenity. Clinging to what must pass only creates suffering. Let go, flow with change, and you'll find peace. Observe constantly that all things take place by change. Marcus wrote, change isn't the enemy, it's life itself. 11. Practicing compassion and empathy. Stoicism doesn't make you cold, it makes you wise. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself, people act out of ignorance or pain. Respond with compassion, not judgment. See yourself in others. Practice empathy. Help when you can. Forgive when you must. Stoicism at its highest level is not about withdrawing from the world. It's about elevating it through your actions. 12. Reflecting and reviewing regularly. Every evening, Marcus would review his day. What did I do well? Where did I fall short? This habit sharpens awareness and builds integrity. Self-reflection isn't about guilt, it's about growth. The Stoic path is walked step by step, and each reflection is a mirror showing how to walk it better. Make this practice part of your daily rhythm. Conclusion: integrating Stoicism into your life. Stoicism is not just something you study, it's something you live. It's a mindset that trains you to stay calm in the storm, to act with virtue, and to rise above pettiness. Practice these principles every day. Read, reflect, and apply. Whether you're facing hardship, success, or change, Stoicism will guide you home to yourself. Start today. Live with reason, lead with virtue, and walk the Stoic path.